everyone and welcome to US News Box. Boruto Chapter 52 release date and why Naruto's death is unbelievable. Boruto Chapter 52 updates. The series Boruto is one of the most interesting series and it is also one of the most popular manga series. The entire series was directed by Noriyuki Abe, Hiroyuki Yamashita, Toshiro Fuji and Masayuki Koda. These directors directed this series in an extraordinary manner. Let us discuss the release date and all the news regarding Boruto Chapter 52. Boruto Chapter 52 release date. Fans are eagerly waiting for the new release date. There was a scheduled release date for this chapter. The 52nd chapter is set to be released on Friday, that is November 20th, 2020. I am sure this chapter will be premiered on the same fixed date. Some of the spoilers are trying to reveal this fantastic manga series before the release date itself. The series Boruto Naruto Next Generations Chapter 52 contains an extraordinary storyline. In this new chapter, the characters Naruto and Kurama will get more powers and that power will make them superheroes. Boruto Chapter 52. Some of the spoilers for Chapter 52 said that the series lovers are highly expecting Naruto to fight against Ishiki, and they also said that even he sacrifices his whole life to save everyone. Boruto Chapter 52 cast and characters. This new chapter will focus on a storyline about Naruto who will defeat Ishiki in Boruto Naruto Next Generations Chapter 52. Fans are having the biggest doubt about the series, whether the character Naruto will die in the Boruto Chapter 52. This sad news makes the fans disappointed. The discussion was often going on in the storyline. We will get clear news after watching the entire storyline. According to Block Toro, Boruto tried to handle his foes without the help of Naruto. Finally, Naruto had a final battle in Chapter 52. This will mainly focus on the life of Naruto. I am sure the final battle will defeat Ishiki and that puts Ishiki in trouble. Naruto will reach his goals in a very good manner. He also had a caring love in this story. The further storyline revolves around them in an interesting manner. Let us wait and discover a better storyline for this series. I hope fans will be satisfied with this information. Stay tuned to discover more information about the series.